Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a casual haul video. Now I don't usually buy casual stuff. I mean, if you would check out all my other haul videos, they're more dressy office type stuff. So for the first time ever, I'm going to be doing a casual haul video because I got a bunch of casual stuff from STYLISTA Manila and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got. I've been having so much fun shopping on STYLISTA Manila. They are an Instagram shop and they have really affordable stuff. So they sell tops, bottoms, you know, my denim jeans haul. If you guys check that out, all of them are from STYLISTA Manila. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan of this store. The reason I'm even doing this haul is I realized I don't own a lot of casual looking things and I was like, why don't I own casual stuff? So I decided to get a bunch of cute casual stuff. So yeah, that is what this haul is all about. Before I show you guys all of the cute stuff that I got, don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to say any random thing in life, you can leave that there as well. And you can also subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified every time I put out any of these fun random haul videos. So that is it for the intro. Let's get into this casual haul video. This is my favorite top of all time. I am such a big Friends fan. I really think that Rachel and Joey should have ended up together. I know a lot of people don't think that, but I really feel it deep in my bones that both of them would have made the perfect couple because they're just so sweet together. And I don't know why I'm rambling on about this. We're talking about the clothes. So yeah, I really like this shirt because Friends is just such a great series, and until now I still watch it over and over again. Even though I kind of memorized some of the episodes already, it's still something that I love watching. So yeah, that's basically the only reason I bought this shirt. And also it looks super cute. I think this is such a cute shirt. You have some friends over here and this would look really good, you know, with anything. You know, since this is a basic white shirt, it's gonna look good with whatever you pair with it. I can pair it with white bottoms, black bottoms, this, a printed bottom, just anything. It's just such a versatile piece, and having the Friends logo up here is just a plus. So I really love this one, and I'm just so happy that I own a Friends shirt. I got a bunch of crop tops in different colors. So this is the blue one. I think it looks really cute. It actually has a tag on it, and it's Zara, but I'm really not sure if this is really from Zara. I mean, they said it's an Overrun, but I'm really not sure. I haven't seen anything like this in Zara, so I got the same crop top in blue, white, and pink. I just figured it makes sense for me to buy crop tops since every single thing that I own, every bottom that I own is high-waisted. I don't own any low-waist stuff because I just don't think it looks good on me, you know, since I'm short. So I feel like high-waisted stuff kind of makes me look taller. That's just me. I actually really like the shirt. I think the fabric is really soft. I think the fit is great. I did get different sizes though with the other colors because I really wanted the color, but they didn't have it in my size, so I tried to size up and size down. So yeah, that's basically why I kind of look different in each color, but you know, that's okay. I just wanted to own different colored crop tops because they're really a basic piece that you can pair with so many different things, and it's also something that's just so easy. It's just so easy to wear. Like, you can just get a crop top, get some shorts, you're out the door, you feel good, you look good, and you know, that's basically what you need in casual wear, right? Just something that's just super easy to pair, super easy to style, and then you're out the door. So yeah, I think I got really great crop tops in really cool colors. I got another basic top. I know, I need to iron it, but I think this one is actually really nice. It feels really comfortable, and the fabric is nice and thin, but not see-through, so I think that's really nice. And I feel like everyone should own like a nice, comfortable, button-up type situation. And this one is also kind of cropped, but not really. I actually like this one better when it's tucked in. I just think it looks more polished, more put together. So I think this one looks really cool. I mean, just pairing it with jeans, denim, anything, I think it looks really cool. And this is just one of those things that I feel like it's just such an easy thing to wear, especially when you're not sure where you're going exactly. Is it gonna be a semi-formal event? Is it gonna be casual? So at least with this, you know, you can tuck it in to make it more, tuck it in to make it a little bit more put together, tuck it out to make it a little bit more casual. So I kind of like pieces like this, very versatile, and you know, I feel really good in it. And I think that's also one of the most important things, that you have basic pieces that just make you feel good. And when you wear it, you're like, yeah, I can go face the day. I'm pretty sure I bought this just because of this ruching thing up here. I just think it's super cute, really feminine looking, kind of girly, but also this is a nice casual top. It's something that I can just tuck into anything, jeans, trousers, pants, and then there's this nice interesting little design up here, which I think is really cool. I also picked this maroon color because I don't own a lot of maroon, and I thought it would be cute to have it in this color. It kind of reminds me of rose petals that you kind of put up here. Yeah, that's just what happens in my head when I shop. I think this is really cute. I mean, I can definitely see myself wearing this with a lot of random casual stuff. I mean, I could even wear it with trousers. Actually, so it kind of looks like a bathing suit to me for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, overall I really like this one. I think it's super cute, and yeah, it's one of those easy to style types of stuff because it's just gonna look good with anything. I've never been a fan of this whole not your shirt type situation, but you know, I thought, why not give it a try? Maybe it's something I would like. Maybe I can make a bow there. I think this one kind of looks a little bit better, less cowgirlish, but I don't know. I actually just got this to really see if this is the type of style that I can do, but I'm honestly not quite sure if this is something that I would actually wear in this way. Now this one, I actually really like the print. I think it's so interesting that this is like a minimalist art piece type of thing, but on a shirt. Now, maybe I would like it better if I tucked it in. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, wow, that made such a big difference. I think this looks way better than the ribbon tie thing that I did earlier. This is definitely how I'm going to be wearing this one. I definitely got this because of the print. I think it looks super cool. I don't see a lot of things like this, but maybe I can also do this to any of my white shirts. I'll just draw random lines or something. I don't know. But yeah, overall, I think this is, you know, one of those everyday type of shirts. I can just put it on, go out, do groceries, come back, you know. So yeah, I think this is really cool, really interesting with the print, but I think the style, definitely, I'm super not into the tie here thing, but yeah, the tuck, I like the tuck. I wanted to create this all white outfit for you guys to showcase these cool pants that I got. I think they're really cute. They're like wide leg cropped type of pants, which I think is really cool. I think they're also very comfy. My only problem is you can kind of see the lining here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see some lining here. I don't know why they didn't just put the lining all the way down. So yeah, anyway, I think this is a really great pair of pants. I think it fits me really well. Again, high-waisted. You know, I only buy high-waisted. And yeah, there are pockets. It's really cool. You know, I really love a good pocket. I like this. I like putting my hands in them. I also like that it's really flowy. Like when I move, you guys can see. It's just, there's so much movement to it, and I think it makes it such an interesting pair of pants. I also paired it with white shoes because I think it would look really cool, like white. I also got these gray shorts. I think they're so super soft. Like honestly, I feel super comfortable in this. I can sleep wearing this, to be completely honest, but I feel like they're more, you know, casual going out type of shorts. There's even some pockets over here. I can adjust it with the drawstring, but it's also really stretchy over here. So this is definitely more on the tighter side, but you know, I really like it. I also like the whole balloon effect, and then it's kind of tighter here. So yeah, I think this is really nice. I think this is something I would definitely wear. I mean, I can wear this with a polo, I can wear it with a lot of different things, and then it will just, you know, dress down more dressier pieces. What? What did I just say? But anyway, yeah, I think basically what I'm saying is these are super comfy shorts. I think gray is also a very basic color, so this is definitely something I can style with a lot of different things. So yeah, I'm really happy about these super comfy shorts. I have another pair of shorts. Now this one is a little bit loose on me right here, but you know, I think it's kind of okay. Most of the denim shorts I own actually have the distressed thing at the bottom, so I thought, why not get one that is not torn here at the bottom? And I think this one's really nice too. I mean, I really actually like the color. This light blue vibrant type of color, so that's basically why I got it. But I'm pretty sure I have to get it adjusted or kind of wear a belt because it's kind of loose, but it's not that obvious. I'm really liking this pair of shorts. Definitely something I can wear casually, you know, walking my dog, going to the grocery, you know, just random walks outside. I know that I just basically said that most of my shorts are basically distressed, and yeah, I just got another pair. Now I just thought this would be really cool because this one actually goes way higher on the waist and it's a bit shorter here, so I feel like it would make me look longer because I'm 5'2", and I feel like these are the only things I can do to kind of look longer. I actually really like these shorts. They feel really good. I was actually worried they would feel kind of tight because when I was putting them on, they felt kind of tight, but I think that's just because my butt is kind of too big for this part. But you know, when I put it on here where it's supposed to be, which is the waist, it actually felt really, really good. And I actually like these shorts better than the other pair of shorts. Maybe because they're distressed, but actually no. If they weren't distressed and they had this fit, yeah, I definitely would like this pair of shorts so much more. We are down to my last pair of shorts. So I got these black ones that kind of look like denim, but they're kind of a stretch-ish fabric type of material, which makes it actually really more comfortable than the other denim stuff. And I actually only own one other pair of black denim shorts, and again, those are distressed. They have the little destroyed effect on them, but this one I think would be great as, like, you know, the non-destroyed type of shorts that I own, and I actually really like it. I think the fit is good. I feel great in it. I think it's a really great high-waisted, it's really high-waisted, which I really like. And yeah, I think this is such a great piece. This is a casual basic that I feel like everyone should own, and this is definitely something that would be so easy to pair with a lot of different things. So yeah, because it's black, it's basic, this is definitely something that I can wear with anything. That is the end of my casual haul. I actually got a lot of basic pieces that I feel like I should have bought years ago because they're basically closet staples, but I just never did because casual clothes is not something that I really wear a lot, if that makes sense. But lately, of course, since I've been staying at home and everything, it just makes more sense to just wear more casual clothes inside. So yeah, that's basically why this haul even happened in the first place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!